Hey. So, I'm at the house that I'm renovating, and I put in a request for some lawn care. Not lawn care, but for someone to come over, rake up the leaves, reset my yard, pick up all the branches, cut the bushes out front. They quoted me $3,400, and they'll pick up everything and blah, blah, blah. I'm about to take you outside and show you the yard, and I want you to comment down below how much you would do the job for. Because I imagine I'm going to get all kind of different answers if people actually answer. Because some are going to think, well, a yard rake and a bag. And others are going to think about their leaf blowing machine and something else. And others are thinking about their tractor and mulching it in. And there's all kinds of different ways to skin a cat and to deal with a yard. So, without any further holdups here, let's go check out the yard. You ready for this? All right. So I'm on about 2 acres here. All the way to that tree line is my stuff on the other side of that fence. Get ready. This is the backyard. Okay, I do have the zoom focus here. What's going on here? Okay. So I've gathered some of the branches around the bases of the trees. All this property here, right? As you can see to the back here, God dang it, tripping over the damn branches. We had some good winds over here the other day. And I imagine the neighbors over there across the street would really be happy if I get rid of all these leaves. What the hell is that noise? Sorry about that. Because I was watching the wind blow the other day, and all these leaves are ripping across the yard and blowing into their yards, which I know they've raked up. So that would piss me off. Anyway, this is the backyard. It's a big job, ain't it? Right? Then you've got this side of the yard, and you got the garage, and you got some over there. And then the front yard, it really is the backyard, isn't it? I mean, what do you expect? My grandfather planted all of these damn trees. All of them. And I remember helping him do it. But I didn't think about owning the house in the future and me having to rake it all up. So, with that being said, 2 acres of property. 40 trees worth of leaves, branches. How much are you going to charge me? How much would you charge for that? Or how much would you expect to pay for something like that? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.